We're with John. John is a personal injury lawyer in Nashville, and he's agreed to answer some online questions. Well, this is an online question specifically related to how to find the best personal injury lawyer. So that's pretty much the question. I'll only ask if this was from David. David asked, I'm looking to find an attorney. I'm currently looking to find an attorney. What do you recommend is the best way to find the best personal injury lawyer?
Well, thanks, David. For me, in my 4 years of experience, I've learned that you have to have a relationship with your client, but the client also has to have a relationship with you. And if you're in a situation where you might have the best trial lawyer that ever lived, you had somebody that's well respected and has all these credentials and all these victories in his resume, but if you don't get along with the guy, and he's not the best for you. So what you need to do is try to find someone that fits your personality, that fits your mindset, that will take care of you, that will return phone calls and be attentive to your case. You need to know whether or not this fella is going to be working your case as opposed to an associate or even a paralegal working your case. You'll need to be able to know whether or not you can contact this guy. Call him on a cell phone. Will he give you his cell phone number? Will he answer calls at any time of the night? Will he be there for you when you have questions about your case? And you're going to have questions. So what's important to you, I think, David, is to find somebody that's best for you. Now, how do you do that? Well, one way you can do that is get on the internet. The internet has a whole host of websites dealing with lawyer performance, dealing with ratings of lawyers, and it will tell you whether or not this particular lawyer is highly rated, whether or not the person has a high ethical standard, whether or not the person is attentive to your needs. You can find all that online. But that's just the first line of trying to find out where you need to go. Secondly, once you find somebody on the internet, perhaps, then call that person up, or maybe call 2 people, or maybe call 3 people. Go see him. Go sit down with them. Figure out how easy it is to get in to see him. Figure out what their staff's like. Figure out whether or not he speaks your language or whether he speaks above you, and whether or not he speaks the kind of language that you're comfortable with, because that's the kind of person that's going to be the best lawyer for you. And so finally, make sure that once you have landed on this person, that you have a healthy understanding on the front end of what you can expect. Don't listen to a lot of fluff. Don't listen to a lot of empty promises. This is your case, and he works for you. And that's what you've always got to remember. And you find somebody like that, that's the best person for you.
Excellent. Okay, well, if you have any other questions, just post them in the comments section below, and John's agreed to get back to you with answers. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.